Very good morning, everybody. Today we are going to discuss the next portion in our in our topic, that is system approach in HRM. So last time we had discussed what is the meaning and definition of system approach in HRM. Today we shall discuss what is the main purpose of system approach in HRM, why system approach is used in HRM, what are its main objective, or you can say main purpose, why a firm or corporation or organization should have system approach, and how it can benefit from it. So here, by and large, I have bifurcated or categorized purposes of system approach in HRM into three categories or three areas, or you can say here on the screen you see that three points, 1, 2 and 3. So first, purpose of system approach in human resource management. The main purpose is to reduce the manual workload and administrative activities. Most of the system approach is what the use of information and IT enabled technology to for the ease of HR related activities and functions. Correct? We are using information technology, communication technology, system IT enabled services so that our work in HRM, human resource department's work activities can be done efficiently, effectively, and in an easy and comfortable way, with effectiveness and productivity ensured. So first is here to reduce the manual workload. There is a lot of workload in organizations. Day by day, a lot of activities are taking place in human resource management regarding hiring, placement, selection, training and development, performance appraisals, and industrial relations, corporate communication, motivation, employee-employee relations. A lot of things are taking place: job profiling, job descriptions, maintaining performance labels, performance documentations, and that number of activities are and functions are carried out. So there is a lot of work, manual work is there. In some way, system approach helps to decrease the manual workload and administrative activities. So this is the one advantage system approach helps, or organization should introduce system approach in HRM so that it will reduce the manual workload of activities. Number two, efficiency of HR decision making. See, human resource management or human resource manager has to make decisions every now and then, and to make these decisions, see, this very important thing is that you want to make any decision, you require some information, correct? So who will provide this information? This information is provided by the system, or the system, because availing that information on a one single platform, HR manager can easily use that information and can make quick decisions. And in this way, efficiency will come up. Correct? So, system approach helps organization in quick, efficient decision making relevant with HR processes and functions. Efficiency in HR decision making. Due to system approach in HRM, quick decisions, efficient decisions can be taken. This is the one more advantage. Last and final here, electronically automated functions of HR department. See, HR department, lot of functions are there, lot of activities are taking place. And these activities, these functions, generally before these technology infrastructure, IT computer services, these all works were done manually by paperwork, filing, documentation, folders, all. Today you see that many things are done on computers, files and folders are done on the software databases, so no files holders are needed, just everything electronically is there. Even most of the interviews are nowadays are happening like telephone interview, video conferencing interviews are taking place. No real time space time requirement is there, correct? So a lot of things have changed, and in making all these things less time consuming and less labor consuming, the system approach has helped HRM. So electronically automated functions in HR department, all works generally most of the work have been generally major part of the major part of the work which was manual nature or some lower nature, not unstrategic nature. Most of the work was now with the help of system approach has been automated, and now all the databases information are available electronically and can easily be accessed and retrieved. So this is the one more importance. So these are the three basic purpose. Thank you so much. Next we'll discuss in next class. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.